In one sentence, what does your product do?
HackEDU offers hands-on secure coding training, which helps developers write more secure code and reduces vulnerabilities in software.
Now, give us your elevator pitch in less than 60 seconds.
HackEDU's hands-on secure coding training has the highest engagement and completion rates. Developers improve their ability to write software, boost their understanding of how software systems are hacked, and decrease the time to solve security-related problems. In addition, it helps meet compliance requirements such as PCI, SOC 2, and HIPAA.
What is the problem you are solving?
Reducing vulnerabilities in software, which helps prevent negative consequences, which includes data breaches, money loss, user account takeovers.
How are you solving it?
We're solving it through best-in-class hands-on secure coding training. Developers don't always have the requisite secure coding knowledge. It is not typically taught in schools and often not taught in corporations. So developers should be trained on the basics as well as continuously being trained on the latest technologies and the latest attacks.
Why is your solution different from others?
HackEDU training offers hands-on lessons where developers actually have to code. Also, we use learning science principles and research to train on the offensive side of security. That increases both the engagement level, developers love it, as well as the effectiveness, because it teaches the fundamentals of security concepts.
What market segment is best suited to use your product or service?
HackEDU has customers in every industry of every size, from small startups to Fortune 100 companies. We are in the airline and travel industry, big box retail industry, e-commerce, technology, financial. The ideal customer is a business that writes software, which these days is every business.
What is the vision for the product or service in the next couple of years?
HackEDU, our vision is to reduce vulnerabilities. And so our focus is on how we can increase the effectiveness and the engagement of our training, which are related, and increasing the content that we teach so that companies can secure more parts of their technology stack.
How did you get your first paying customer?
You got its first paying customer by reaching out to potential prospects and getting feedback on our product and our secure coding training. We gave it away for free initially for a handful of users for them to try, and one of them actually decided to buy it for their organization.
How do you collaborate with clients in regards to features and design?
HackEDU has a customer advisory board, which helps us get direct feedbacks from some of our best customers. We also encourage all of our customers to provide feedback to make our features better. We collect feedback on all of our training and all the developers that take the training, and we take that feedback very seriously. As a bootstrapped startup, when we initially started as being 100% focused on the customer and the customer needs, and it's continued to stay that way as we've grown.
How did the product or service start? What is the story behind it?
HackEDU started out of, after I was a CISO at a company called AirMap. HackEDU started because I saw there was not really great hands-on security training online. There was great training in person, but it was very costly. It was difficult for people to get to. It didn't really scale across organizations. And so we decided, myself and my co-founder, Matt Koskela, decided to start a company to create hands-on training and also help tackle one of the problems in application security, which is keeping developers engaged and interested in training so that it can effectively reduce vulnerabilities in software. So we saw an opportunity to do that, and we started building it out. We have tens of thousands of developers and hundreds of customers.